Yo, CPT and the world. Welcome back to the Lounge and it's Steezin with Oasis. Today I have another dope ass artist in studio, KTH King, and he's coming to kill it. So let's get into the interview. Let's find out who he is and let him tell.
How are you, bro?
Yeah.
How you doing?
I'm fine and soft, bro.
Great,
Good to
bro.
see you.
Great, glad to be.
So first thing is first, bro. Where you from?
I'm actually from Philippines, and a lot of people are shocked when I say that because they're like, huh, Philippines?
Yeah,
People like,
I'm also a little bit shocked because it sounds a bit too far, bro.
These guys fall from
And
here.
how did you hear about the show or this movie?
Well, actually, you guys reached out to me.
Yeah. Wow, my production team's on flick.
On flick, bro.
Nah, because I heard your freestyles. I heard your freestyles even dope, see. So now my production teams work with some dope ass artists.
Yes, thank you, bro. Now I work hard,
That's good, bro. Now you put in the work.
to generate them skills.
And I heard what you're doing, bro. So how long have you been making music?
Yo, bruh, let me think. Since I was 9, okay? But when my brother always used to listen to Tupac. My brother's like 13 years older than me. So he was actually listening to Tupac when Tupac was alive. Unlike most of us.
Yeah.
So he always used to listen to Tupac and shit. And then I used to obviously listen to it as well. And then I just decided, yeah, I was doing rapping. I was doing rap. So I put on a beat. I started rapping. I started writing lyrics and shit. But then that wasn't serious. And in high school, stopped rapping for a while. Grade 8, I used to make fun of rap music. Because I was like, nah, I mean, we used to like in the computer room, and then I used to freestyle in styles of other rappers, man. Basically imitate them and stuff like that.
Yeah.
But I was actually good, man. You know what I'm saying? And then I stopped doing that, and then grade 9, but I was like, nah, bro, you got talented at this shit. Do it for reals, man. And then obviously my love for hip hop just kept developing, and as my love developed, my skills developed. So yeah, like when I was in grade 10, I used to record by Muffin, you know Muffin Man, who works with the Youngstacpt.
Yeah.
So like I did a few tracks with Youngstacpt also before Youngstacpt blew up and shit like that. So yeah, from there on it just kept going, and now I'm still rapping today.
Keep rapping, you just keep rapping.
Keep rapping.
Keep rapping. Nah, it's good, but you must keep moving, bro. If you're not gonna move, we're all gonna die in there. If you're not gonna do something with it now, it's not gonna be be done then. So
exactly.
Do it now.
While the man is still young.
Yeah, while you're young.
Yeah, can't be like 40 like, yo, I should have kept rapping.
There we go, bro. If you can't do it, you do it. Bro. If you're talented, you use your talents. Anyway, so as I was saying now again, but back to you. Now in SA, you know the game is blowing up now with your Nasty and your Casper and your Vest.
Youngstacpt CPT.
Oh, the Youngstacpt CPT, don't forget him.
Yeah.
Now, what's your take on the SA hip hop game, bro?
Well, my take, currently the SA hip hop game is in a good space. In my opinion, it's in a good space because 10 years ago, English rap from South Africa wasn't in the mainstream. You understand what I'm saying? Back in the days, it was whatever we were producing, pushing out. It felt like it had to be a niche genre.
Yeah.
So it was Kwaito or Afrikaans, but the English market was, people weren't really going that
Saturated.
way. You know what I'm saying?
It was saturated.
And it is still saturated. It's fucking saturated. We all know that shit. But in terms of recognition, we're getting from international people for our local artists. And yeah, local artists, they do conform to international standards in a way that where they don't kind of showcase our cultural shit. But I see a lot of artists are going out of their way to do it, especially Youngstacpt CPT. That's why a lot of us from Cape Town has such big respect for him, because he doesn't just say, I'm from Cape Town. He shows it through his music. And therefore, when he goes to Australia or whatever, people don't think we live in a jungle, you know what I'm saying? So he's informing people also of the reality.
People that we don't live with the lions on the streets.
Bro, we're not riding
We are the lions in the streets.
Exactly,
Out here we the main. Get it?
Yeah, bro. But
nice,
it's in a good
nice
space.
though. I feel you there.
But I mean, there is still some issues in terms of, like you said, it's oversaturated. When I can speak about Cape Town specifically, when I say it's very oversaturated and there's not enough managers. There's too much artists. There's too much Biggies and there's not enough Puffies. There's too much Eminems. There's not enough Dr. Dre's. You know what I'm saying? So that is something that we're missing specifically here in Cape Town. I don't know about the rest of South Africa, but that's something that needs to change, me. So, and things like this, the things that you're doing, this is fucking brilliant, man, bro. You know what I'm saying?
I respect that, bro.
So
I
you must keep doing this.
EMPTV, I respect the EMPTV.
Respect. Some respect on the nigga.
I'm talking about niggas' names. So KTH King, bro.
Yeah, bro.
The name. Where does it come from? I didn't get it.
I was in grade 9 since and then my brother was upon me saying I'm a king. I was also saying I'm a king. We just had this thing. But then I was like, okay, first I said King stand for Kyle is notoriously great. Because that's my government name, Kyle, man. So eventually, as I started getting older now, you start becoming philosophical and shit. So I had this thing, you know what I'm saying? So I had this thing called NICE also, which is neurological interpretation, creates everything. So that means the way you perceive reality is how it is. And then I was just I was very like a sponge when it comes to information and knowledge, and I felt like that really, knowledge is power. Like, it's a cliche, but I was 100% believing in that shit. Like, I went out my way to learn skills or learn how this work, learn how that work, and I thought that's me, Muslim. So King stands for knowledge is never ending growth. Understand? So that is my philosophy, and that's I incorporate in my name. I try to incorporate it in my music as well. And KTH is my initials. So like this, yeah.
So now, if we do give you now a platform to perform, do you think you'll be able to give us something that the whole of Cape Town is gonna?
Yeah,
bro. Have Youngstacpt CPT like that shit. That knows you. And subscribe to the channel. Don't forget.
Subscribe to the channel.
EMPTV. Subscribe. Tap. Subscribe to our channel.
Oh bro, just maat, I don't know you. Oh bro, just maat, you don't know me. Oh bro, voor check, I don't know you. Oh bro, voor check, you don't know me. Gaat oh yo maat op, ja voor check. Oh yo pik naar je in maat, ja voor check. Hey yeah, hey yeah, what's your problem? Hey that's your problem. Hey what's your problem? Hey that's your problem, yeah. Hey what's your problem, yeah. Hey that's your problem. Hey yeah, what's your problem? Hey that's your problem. Voor check, of zeg oh iets if you have best. What you gon' try bro, watch your step. Is it if go lanes ain't next respect? It's okay, with my back I don't shoot, that's just how we do. Get your crew, make a stew. Snack on that, your back is stew. Now tell them, yeah. Now what you wanna do? I step on John's, you butter you. So cut the caco, I cut it bro. I slice right through you a butter bro, yeah. I'm about peace, but I got that tempo with a short fuse. And I see no use in the clump pride. Especially with a night of talk in the clump got with me, yeah. Man, I got a sense that sees your depths, I see right through. Now you're trying to moves, they slack. Come eat your slice if you touch my bed, yeah. Matter of fact, the truth is, I just hate nights who want through. If you come free, that's that. I just say, now you're for check. Oh bro, just maat, I don't know you. Oh bro, just maat, you don't know me. Oh bro, voor check, I don't know you. Oh bro, voor check, you don't know me. Gaat oh yo maat op, ja voor check. Oh yo pik naar je in maat, ja voor check. Hey yeah, hey yeah, what's your problem? Hey that's your problem. Hey what's your problem? Hey that's your problem, yeah. Hey what's your problem, yeah. Hey that's your problem. Hey yeah, what's your problem? Hey that's your problem. Voor check, of zeg oh iets if you have best. My personal space is like an office, now you see I'm the exec. Don't blow button if you can't enter with the drop I can't accept. I don't trust nobody, bro, except the few that are exempt. I'm adept at observing somebody, I analyze the depth of this soul that through intentions. Play your role, taking you lessons. To reach my goals, I'm circumventing. Ending out with bad energy mentally. For a thought, no indigestion. Wrap it around that my flex, so yeah. They say keep your friends close and your enemies closer. I say fuck them, keep their distance. I just snipe them from a corner. What's the motive? If you don't got my boat, get run about bulldozers. Eyes behind my head and my shoulders. Make sure that no one can float us. See my drive is well on motors. It can't be stopped, I'm focused. See for starters, don't need chokers. Engine loud, I'm always noticed. So if you trying to slow a man down and know this, only real ones ride with me, stump the poses. Oh bro, just maat, I don't know you. Oh bro, just maat, you don't know me. Oh bro, voor check, I don't know you. Oh bro, voor check, you don't know me. Gaat oh yo maat op, ja voor check. Oh yo pik naar je in maat, ja voor check. Hey yeah, hey yeah, what's your problem? Hey that's your problem. Hey what's your problem? Hey that's your problem, yeah. Hey what's your problem, yeah. Hey that's your problem. Hey yeah, what's your problem? Hey that's your problem.